isang tira.
Those extra possessions, they've got 11 offensive rebounds in the first half and only 2 for TNT. But yet, yun nga, no? Di sila nakakapag-exploit yung advantage nila in getting those offensive rebounds and extra possessions.
I'm curious to see and hear from Eileen later kung ano yung mga adjustment na gustong gawin ng Meralco. From your lens din, anong kailangan nilang tutukan?
I think it's important that they continue to stay aggressive as they did in the second quarter. I thought they played mano a mano against TNT. Hindi sila masyadong naiwanan. In fact, as I mentioned, they were only outscored by 1. But I think it's important that they focus defensively on the big guns of TNT, meaning